What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I wasn't planning on making a video today about this, but it's pretty simple and I figured I would just show you how to do it. If you have a 2006, 2007, or 2008 Toyota Sequoia or Tundra and you're getting a P2440 code, I do believe it is, I'll leave it in the description below. It's for the secondary air injection system valve stuck open or closed. So it's pretty simple install. Here's what we got. So you get a box, get some instructions. 4.7. We have a 5.7, but it also fits. I haven't yet to see a video, I don't think, on a 5.7. Don't hold me to that. Here's the wiring harness. This connects to the mass airflow. You got this wire right here that goes to the plug right there, the little pigtail from the starter relay. And it says, you know, professional installation needed. You have two block off plates as well. So let me show you all the stuff that you're needed, you know, to be a professional to install this. A 10mm socket and possibly a knife. So I'm going to install this real quick. It takes like no time at all. And I'll show you the finished product and everything I did on the 5.7 to get this installed. Alright guys, here we go. This is the little harness it comes with. Plug it into the mass airflow here. Comes with some 3M sticky tape. Stick it back here. You have this wire. Goes from the back of this little connector they give you over to the relay box, run it down into the relay fuse box, plug it into the starter relay. There's 4 prongs on the back of it, 2 copper, 2 aluminum. You want to connect it to the 2 aluminum, not the copper, as it says in the manual. Gives you instructions. And let's go under to see the fun part. Alright, so looking under here, this is the passenger side. You can't really see it. There's a bolt here and a bolt on the other side. Let me tell you, you either need a 3-year-old to help you get their arms in there, or a very long pry bar to go onto that bar, the tube that you see going across there. Pry up on that tube and slip the little block off plates on there. The driver's side is a lot easier. There's 2 bolts right there and one on the other side. Pry up on this tube and slip it into there. Well guys, I hope that helped a lot. It wasn't a very long video. It did take me about an hour just because it was really hard to pry up on those and get your hands way up in there. Very tight squeeze. But I'm not going to leave a link to this product in the description itself because I am bypassing something to do with the emissions. And I mean, the EPA absolutely loves me already. So if you want this product, I'm going to leave it, well, I got my email contact information in the description below. Just contact me and I'll send you the link to it. It's not very much and I'll show you exactly where it is. But thanks guys for watching, and subscribe and wait for the next one.